Pasta with uncooked olive oil. Dr. John A. Allocca. September 24, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon oregano. 6 leaves or more fresh basil, chopped. 1 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. 1 pound organic pasta. This recipe is especially good for those who cannot eat or don't like garlic. Chop the basil and put it aside. Boil approximately 4 quarts of water in a 8-quart pot. Adding sea salt is optional. Add the pasta and cook for the duration suggested on the package. A few minutes before the pasta is cooked, remove 1 cup of water and put it aside. When the pasta is finished cooking, pour the water out through a colander and place the pot on a trivet. Add the pasta to the pot. Add olive oil first, mix, then the remaining ingredients. 100 grams cooked pasta equals 22.7 grams carbohydrate. However, after the pasta is diluted by the oil and water, it may be more like 100 grams cooked pasta plus oil and water equals 16 grams carbohydrate. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.